This used to be the park where the LGBTQ community would gather and mingle. Mingle. On that topic, I would like to say that Taiwan were the first Asian country to legalize marriage equality. Currently in Taiwan, you can actually sue your spouse if they, consecutively for 3 years, refuse to see your parents. Okay, we call that spousal neglect. However, because the LGBTQ community does not have a clear definition between husband and wife, our lawmakers actually thought about removing that from the marriage equality law. The American woman that I used to be married to actually told me, James, if you could go and remove your hoo-hoo, I'll promise you to marry you again as a woman. Because I don't want to see your family at all. Yeah, so I'm divorced and single, if anyone's interested.